Hello guys, in today's video I talk about how to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing in screen problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section, then go to the search and search on WhatsApp, then go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, maybe try to turn the Wi-Fi off and on, and the Bluetooth off and on. And if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear your data, all your files and the messages and the chats and the media, the database and etc. will be deleted, so be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.